Hi, my name is Cecilia, and I'm the product owner of Narify. With me today, I have Christina, which is the marketing manager. We will give you a demo of the platform and all the functionality that it has. To start off, we start at the dashboard. Here you can find your goals and progress of the month. You can find an Up Next section where you can find all your scheduled posts, assigned slots, which is time and date that you should publish your next post, or recommended post from other people. In the feedback section, you have all the posts that you have sent or you have received for feedback from your teammates. Easily accessible. If you scroll down a bit, we have a draft section. So here you can easily start from where you left off on your previous drafts. So if you want to just do small edits or continue working on your draft and publishing it, you can do it from here. We also added an ideas section on the dashboard. Here you will find ideas that can spark your next post that has been sent either from your colleagues or that you created yourself. And of course, stay up to date with the latest insights or the latest inspiration from our Narify Academy. So what we're going to do now, we're going to start on one of my assigned slots for 14th of January. So if you open a slot that has already been assigned a target audience, a format, a content idea, or a topic tag, and time and date, all of this will be pre-filled in the editor before you start. So just for the purpose of this demo, I will use the magic wand to create a draft by copy pasting in some information from our newsletter and using the magic wand here. We have a bunch of AI options, which is like you can use them or you can test them or you can just write your own posts. Simple as that. Once you have finished your post, you can easily preview it, how it will look on LinkedIn, either on desktop view, tablet view, or mobile view. And you also see where the see more break is. If you are in charge of the business page, then you can easily swap between posting as your personal profile or as the business profile with just a few clicks. Before showing you the 4 publishing alternatives that we offer, I want to also show you the rest of the content page. So we have 3 subpages. You have the Write Post, which is the editor, where you write all your posts. We have Draft, where you can draft up as many drafts as you want so that you can just jump into it once you want to finish it. And we have Ideas. So we have 2 different types of ideas. Ideas that you have created for yourself or a team member has created for you. And we have AI ideas. The AI ideas are based on your topic tags and your audience, and also your previous published posts. All right, let's jump back to the editor. So we have 4 publishing alternatives. You can publish it straight away. You can schedule it ahead of time. You can send it for feedback, which is our recommended option. And you can recommend the post as, for instance, a ghostwriter, or you want to spread one message from multiple personal profiles. So what we're going to do now, we're going to send this to feedback to my colleague, Christina. In the Ask for Feedback modal, it's also a nifty feature to set the priority. So the priority ranges from urgent, that you want a feedback within 6 hours, or no priority at all. I'm going to set urgent just for the sake of this demo. Once the post is sent to feedback, you will find it in the collaboration page. So here you can see all the posts that I'm collaborating on. So you can see the creator or owner of the post at the top. You can see the preview of the post in the middle section, and you can see the collaborators on top of the preview section. Here, Christine can give me two types of feedback. One is comment feedback, and the other one is suggestion feedback. So comment is like a chat. You can just talk from back and forth, while suggestion is actually a copy of the post where you can do specific changes to it and recommend the creator to implement the changes to improve the post. Once Christina has sent me a suggestion for improvements, I can show the changes that she has done, what she has removed or added, and implement the idea by clicking Update Post. And of course, we add some nifty features like reacting to a comment or a suggestion. Once we are happy with the post and we're like good to go, we can then either publish it, schedule it, or recommend the post to others. So the recommend post feature is like, if I want this post to be spread by multiple ambassadors, I can just click the recommend post button here. Then I can select members from the member list. And then I can describe what I want them to do with this. So now I'm just going to say this is a demo post for showing the recommended post feature. Christina, please reject this post. I can add a recommended publishing time, and I can add a recommended topic tag. So under my post, I can see that Christina has recommended a post to me, and she has given me a description on what I should do with this, and the recommended publishing time, and the industry insights. And as long as this recommended publishing time is in the future, the button will say schedule. So I can choose to publish it as is, I can edit it, or I can actually also ask for feedback if I want to do some changes or maybe make it a bit more my own post and talk to it and collaborate with others before I publish it to LinkedIn. Or I can reject it. So in the sent post section, you can see all of the posts to the different people that you have recommended the post. And then you can see the status. If it's rejected, if it's sent and not done anything with, if it's in feedback, or if it's published or scheduled. All of the statuses you can see, so you can track if they are going to use the post or not. So those are all the collaboration features of the platform. Let's just have a quick glance of the planning page. So in the planning page, you can either see the plan or the assigned slots from the calendar view, or you can see it from the list view below. So here I can see what is planned, what people are going to write posts about, what has been published, what has been scheduled, or if anyone has missed any slots. This feature is very nice to keep everyone in the loop of what's coming next. Here you can assign slots to yourself, or as a team leader, ghost, or admin, you can assign slots to others, and also on behalf of business pages. And you will easily see the business page plan then by using the filtering. Next up is the team effort page. On the team page, you can see the whole organization, team by team or business page by business page, to see how you are performing on an aggregated level together. Or if you want to check out individual post analytics, you can go and check that out on the analytics page. Next up is the Narify Academy, where you can stay up to date on the algorithm, get inspired, and increase your knowledge by taking courses with shareable certificates and short videos. Last but not least, the answers to your question or sharing wishes or feedback to our team, you can do with a few clicks. So find the chat icon either in the sidebar or the purple icon down on your right and send us a message. Here you will have 4 alternatives. You can report if you find a bug, if you have a feature request, or you want to talk to a human, But the best part is you can chat with Rocket, and he is our LinkedIn expert chatbot, trained on Richard van der Blom's algorithm report, and also the Help Center of Narify. So he can basically answer any questions you have about LinkedIn or Narify. So let's ask Rocket, why should we activate ambassadors on LinkedIn? Well, this says it all. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the tour. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out or get started with a free trial.